Ladies and gentlemen, how's everyone doing? I have another unboxing video. Today we have a N-Scale unboxing video of a new N-Scale steam engine that I just got from Bachman via Amazon, so we'll see how that goes. We haven't had the last two engine buys, we haven't had very successful purchases. Well, one we had was successful for a little bit and then it broke, which I'll get into towards the end of this video. And another one, which I didn't even show you guys, but I had bought a Bachman J-Class 611 Norfolk Western, and I put it on the track, and electricity was flowing, nothing was moving. So I'm pretty sure the engine on the inside was broken. I think I was just sent a broken model. That, or maybe it was broken in shipping. But today I got something really cool, so let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got the continuity camera thing going, so my phone's connected to the computer, obviously, as you guys can see, and this is my hand-me-down Mac right now. My mom just got a new computer for herself, so I have hers, but pretty sick setup. Nice little background of Southern Pacific, but anyways, let's get into this unboxing. Let's move this out of the way. So far, nice packaging. Really in there. N-Scale. DCC, economy sound value equipped. Pretty sweet. And it is the New York Central Hudson class 464 steam locomotive. I don't know why I hesitated on that. I mean, I could see it's a 464 right there. This is looking beautiful with the Roman lettering style. But let's get this thing out of the box, shall we? Okay, so let's get this thing out of the box. Nice little carrying case, display case, jewelry case, however you want to call it. I almost just dropped the engine because it wasn't really secure in there. Oh my goodness, that could have been so bad. Anyway, let's get that reconnected there. Get this box closed up. Not gonna go through the functions as much, but I am just gonna show you guys this lovely engine. So let's get this beautifully. Okay, let me try and get it focusing. You guys can kind of see it. Beautifully separately applied details. Nice handrails as well. Nice lettering. Overall, in terms of looks, it looks wonderful. Semi-realistic co-load. You even have what looks like the scoop under there for like a water scoop. I'm not sure if that's proper though, but I mean, it is beautiful looking. Absolutely wonderful. Well, time to get it on the layout and see how it does. Yeah. Alrighty guys, I got her on the track, so let's start her up. Dynamo. Bell. Whistle. Nice. 3 of the main functions, and I already like it. The whistle is probably by far my favorite so far. blow down sound, water refill. All right, let's get her moving on in.